back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Tough break for Houts in the 00, sitting idle here. He was out front. He's there at the track tower now. He'll need a push. Here we go. Green flag. 2 remain. Okay. He's out of the car, ladies and gentlemen. He's going up top. A big round. It's Corey Myers. Won't pick up, I don't think. Okay, Corey, York Excavating Night, we got a trophy for you. Now your hands are full. I'll sit that there for a minute, okay? You and I know this year's been a up and down year. I seen on Facebook there you were doing some machining the other morning and you said, man, this is good. A lot of good things happening. We're trying to get things turned around and get to the front, and I'll be darned, tonight here you stand in victory lane, Corey Myers.
Yeah, we since Memorial. You want me to take longer? Since Memorial Day, we've been struggling. We started the year out really fast, and our speed went somewhere. And between getting taken out from behind the numerous counts and even side by side, we take those punches and come back stronger, and we prove our point tonight, and we're down here where we need to be.
Exactly. Who all do you want to thank on this machine, Corey? I know there's a lot of people doing a lot of work.
Yeah, they're probably all ready to fire me here soon because normally I'm at number 7, number 8 win by now, and I'm only at number 2. So JVI Group, Done Right Services, it's been a while, I forget them all. Schaefer's Mechanical Services, Newland Bars, MRP Machining, Farners Racing Collectibles, that's about all, and just Mischief Machine, and little guy.
I tell you what, Corey, the little guy like there, I think he likes being up there with you at victory lane.
Yeah, hopefully, maybe 6-7 years he's beating up on these guys later in life.
Now it's Arch Night as well. They have a flag here to be with you. How about another round of applause? It's Corey Myers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's super late model time. Are we ready? Let's let them hear you. They're ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. 30 laps, $5,000. On the line, ULMS super late models here at the Bull Ring.